All right, guys, here it is. Just finished the exhaust on this 98 S10 SS with the 4.3 V6 in it. And I wanted to show you, it's basically a cat back, except it doesn't actually have a cat. And we went with a 2-chamber Summit brand muffler. So it's a race series muffler, basically their version of a Flowmaster into a single 2.5-inch stainless bent up tailpipe here with the chrome tip. Pretty clean, simple install. Let me get your sound cut. All right, sound cut. Again, that's the Summit 2-chamber, no cat on this SS 4.3. Let me get you a rev cut. All right, guys, here it is. We're gonna go ahead and do a cold start. That is the Summit 2-chamber, or essentially a low-budget Flowmaster, 2-inch, no cat on the 4.3 S10.